What if there's a civilization living inside Earth? For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars, wondering what lies beyond our world. But what if the greatest mystery isn't out there, but right beneath our feet? Imagine Earth not as a solid sphere, but as a vast, hollow world. This is the core concept of the Hollow Earth theory, a radical idea that challenges everything we think we know about our planet. It proposes an inner realm, complete with its own ecosystems, unique landscapes, and even advanced civilizations. This theory has captivated minds for centuries, drawing in scientists, explorers, and mystics alike. It speaks to a primal human curiosity about hidden worlds and secret knowledge. Proponents claim there are massive entrances at the poles, serving as gateways to this subterranean domain. They suggest that ancient, perhaps even superior beings reside within, living lives far removed from our surface struggles. While modern science largely dismisses these claims, the persistent fascination with the Hollow Earth endures. It taps into a deep-seated wonder, a yearning for the unknown that refuses to be extinguished. The seeds of this extraordinary idea were planted surprisingly early in 1692 by none other than the renowned astronomer Edmund Halley. Yes, the same Halley of comet fame. Halley proposed that Earth was composed of 4 concentric spheres, nestled one within the other like Russian dolls. Each sphere, he suggested, could potentially support life. He even speculated about an inner atmosphere and the possibility of life thriving in these hidden layers. Halley suggested the aurora borealis might be gases escaping from the inner Earth. The 19th century saw the theory gain a new, fervent champion in the American explorer John Cleves Symmes Jr. Symmes took Halley's concept and ran with it, adding his own dramatic flair. Symmes famously claimed that there were giant, mile-wide openings at both the North and South Poles. These, he declared, were the grand gateways to the inner world. So convinced was Symmes that he petitioned the United States Congress. He sought funding to launch an expedition to find and explore these polar entrances, a testament to his unwavering belief. The idea of an underworld isn't just a modern scientific curiosity. It's deeply embedded in human culture. Ancient myths across various civilizations speak of hidden realms beneath the surface. Greek mythology, for instance, tells of Hades, a shadowy world beneath ours where the souls of the dead reside. It was a place of mystery, often depicted with rivers and guardians. Buddhist texts describe a legendary hidden kingdom known as Agartha, said to exist deep beneath the Himalayas. This mythical realm is often portrayed as a spiritual sanctuary, home to enlightened beings. Norse mythology also features subterranean domains, such as Svartalfheim, the land of the dark elves or dwarves. These beings were skilled craftsmen, dwelling in the deep recesses of the earth. Many Native American legends recount stories of their ancestors emerging from inside the ground. These tales often describe a journey from a previous world into the current one, through an opening in the earth. Are these widespread cultural narratives merely products of shared human imagination? Or could they be fragmented echoes of a forgotten truth, passed down through generations? Proponents of the Hollow Earth theory often point to a collection of alleged phenomena as evidence. They claim these strange occurrences are concentrated near the polar regions, where the supposed entrances lie. Among these claims are reports of compass malfunctions in high-latitude areas. Navigational instruments they suggest behave erratically, pointing to something unusual beneath the ice. Another recurring claim involves unexpected heat sources emanating from the polar ice caps. These warm spots are said to defy conventional meteorological explanations. Then there are the accounts of unexplained lights observed in the polar skies. These luminous phenomena are sometimes interpreted as reflections or emissions from the inner world. Perhaps the most famous account comes from Admiral Richard Byrd, a celebrated polar explorer. In 1947, during an alleged secret flight over the North Pole, he reportedly encountered something extraordinary. Byrd's diary, later published by proponents, describes flying into a green valley with warm lakes and ancient, woolly, mammoth-like beasts. He supposedly met advanced beings from the inner Earth. Even satellite imagery has been scrutinized for clues. Some theorists interpret unusual circular formations near the poles as potential entrances or anomalies that defy conventional explanation. Despite the captivating narratives and intriguing claims, modern scientific consensus firmly rejects the Hollow Earth theory. The evidence gathered over centuries paints a very different picture of our planet's interior. Geological evidence, primarily derived from seismic wave analysis, unequivocally confirms that Earth's core is not hollow. It is a dense, solid, and incredibly hot region. These seismic waves generated by earthquakes travel through the Earth and are recorded globally. Their behavior, speed, and refraction patterns provide a detailed map of our planet's internal structure. This analysis reveals a core composed primarily of molten iron and nickel, surrounded by a solid inner core. There are no vast empty chambers or concentric shells. The way seismic waves bend and reflect as they pass through different layers provides irrefutable proof. It shows a continuous, dense structure, not a hollow void. However, theorists often counter by highlighting the limited extent of our direct exploration. The deepest hole ever drilled only reached about 12 kilometers, less than 0.2% of Earth's radius. They argue that our understanding of the deeper layers, while based on sophisticated indirect methods, might still be incomplete or subject to reinterpretation. Perhaps there are surprises yet to be discovered. If we allow ourselves to indulge in the speculative spirit of the hollow Earth theory, what might this inner world be like? Imagine a realm lit not by an external sun, but by a glowing central core. This internal sun would cast an ethereal light across a vast, inverted landscape. Picture immense seas, perhaps even luminous plants thriving in this perpetual twilight. And what of the inhabitants? The theory often posits advanced civilizations, far more developed than our own. They might view surface humans as primitive, unaware of the true nature of their own planet. These inner cities, if they exist, would be powered by unknown energy sources, perhaps harnessing the very geothermal heat of the Earth itself. Their technology could be beyond our comprehension. Some of the more radical interpretations even suggest a connection between the hollow Earth and unidentified flying objects. They propose that UFOs might not come from outer space, but from within our own planet. These inner beings, according to such theories, could be observing us, occasionally venturing to the surface in their advanced craft. They might be the true guardians of Earth's secrets. The possibilities are endless when we step beyond conventional understanding. This hypothetical inner world sparks the imagination, painting a picture of wonder and mystery. So, is the hollow Earth theory pure fantasy, a relic of an earlier, less scientific age? Or could it be a profoundly misunderstood truth, waiting for us to finally grasp its implications? The scientific evidence is clear, yet the human mind continues to be drawn to the allure of the unknown. We are reminded that even with all our advancements, we have barely scratched the surface of Earth's mysteries. There remains a powerful, almost primal appeal to the idea of undiscovered worlds beneath our feet. It speaks to the adventurer in all of us, the part that yearns for grand exploration. Perhaps the greatest lesson of the hollow Earth theory isn't about its literal truth, but about the boundless capacity of human imagination. It reminds us to question, to wonder, and to never stop exploring. And as we ponder these ancient legends and modern speculations, an intriguing thought lingers. What if, just what if, someone inside is looking back up at us, wondering about the strange world on the outside? If you enjoyed diving into the unknown, don't forget to like and subscribe.